Welcome to week 11. This is a very special week. The first thing I'd like to tell you is again, we are going to have cereal put on hold for one more week. The most important thing I have to tell you this week is that the due dates are a little bit different this week. I'm going to keep you on track by sheer force, and I'm going to have something due on Tuesday, something due on Wednesday, and something due on Friday. So there are 3 assignments this week, and they're each due on their special day. The focus this week, of course, is on writing. So here is a little overview of the week. We're going to finish up our green sheets with retributive and restorative justice and write our synthesis paper number 3. There is a worksheet to go along with that. And then this week we get to start actually writing your justice papers. So it is a really long time coming, and we are finally going to get started. And this week is all about writing. We're going to be writing those green sheets, and that's going to help us write our synthesis paper. We're going to have a pre-writing worksheet that's going to help us write our shitty first draft. So it's a writing week. So let's get right to it. Due on Tuesday. And these have been up for a really long time, so I'm hoping that most of you are already done with the green sheets that are due for retributive justice and restorative justice. Hopefully those are all done for you. And that is going to help you write your synthesis paper number 3. So that is your first job, is to finish up your synthesis papers. Again, I will be checking D2L religiously and trying to give you some good feedback on that. And then on Wednesday, your job is going to be to watch, and you could do this on Tuesday too if you get done. Whenever you get done with your synthesis paper, your next step is to watch the presentation, writing the justice paper. This is just to get your mind at the right spot. There is a worksheet that has 4 parts to it that you will be filling out as pre-writing for your shitty first draft. So this is all due on Wednesday. Is you are going to watch the presentation and then complete your pre-writing worksheet. So that is Wednesday's due date. And then Friday's the big day. That's the day that you're going to turn in your shitty first draft for your justice paper. I am so excited to read what you've been thinking about this. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. And then that's it. Write on. Be brilliant. So just remember that the shitty first draft is getting your ideas down. Just vomiting everything out. It's a brain dump. But you've already practiced doing those synthesis papers. So please make sure that you are using all the things that you've learned in your synthesis paper for your shitty first draft. So really, it isn't a shitty first draft like your personal narrative was. You have had some instruction. So you should be able to have some kind of structure to your paper. And your pre-writing will set all that structure up for you. So I'm very excited to read those papers on Friday. All right, write on. Be brilliant. Have a great week.